Hello everyone, welcome back. In this section, we'll introduce how to use the offset function in EasyEDA, which helps you move components or graphics more accurately and efficiently during PCB layout. Let's start with absolute offset. In the PCB editor, select the component or graphic you want to move, then go to Layout, Offset, Absolute Offset, or right-click the object and choose Offset. In the absolute offset dialog, you'll see two input fields, offset X and offset Y. Absolute offset is calculated based on the PCB origin, meaning the value you enter will directly determine the final position of the object on the board. For example, if you enter 30 mm in offset X and keep Y unchanged, after confirming, the object will move 30 mm along the X direction from its current position. Next, let's look at relative offset. Select the target object again, then choose Layout, Offset, Relative Offset. Relative offset requires you to select a reference point first. This reference can be a component or specific pad, depending on your needs. After selecting the reference point, the relative offset dialog appears. Here, offset X and offset Y represent the distance relative to the reference point, not absolute coordinates. For example, if you enter 30 mm for offset X and 0 mm for offset Y, the object will move 30 mm along the X direction, relative to the selected reference point. This method is especially useful for fine adjustment during layout, such as increasing spacing between components or moving a group of objects together. To summarize, absolute offset based on the PCB origin, ideal for precise positioning. Relative offset based on a reference point, ideal for layout adjustments and group movement. That's all for today's introduction to the offset feature in EasyEDA. Hope it helped make your PCB layout more efficient and accurate. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.